Um, Hello everyone, I'm Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology, and today we are discuss about the features of Java, and it is a primary objectives of creating the Java programming languages. Uh, it was like to make it a portable, simple, and secured, and the below. In addition of this, several excellent the features of contribute the significantly to the popularity of the languages, and then it is the referred as a Java buzzwords. And the features of Java is nothing but an object oriented, simple, secure, platform independent, robust, and portable, architectural neutral, dynamic, interpredicted, and high performance, multi-threaded, and distributed. The first one is object oriented. The object oriented programming languages where everyone has an object. It means we organize the software as a combination of the various types of objects. It incorporates the both behaviors. In the object-oriented programming is nothing but a object class inheritance and polymerism, abstractions, encapsulations. And the second one is a simple. Simple is like a simple is like a syntax that is a simple, clean and easy to understand. It is according to the Sun Microsystems. Here the Java syntax is based on C++, it making the easier programmers to learn and after C++ method. And the next one is unsecured. Secured is so the next one is an platform portable. A portable is like a program to run on the various platforms and then platforms within a without modification. And this is the achievable because the code to complete into the bytecode and which is an implemented of the underlying hardware and operating systems, and it is a JVM on the each systems are interpreted into the bytecode ensuring the platform compatibility. The JVM is nothing but a Java virtual machines, and the next one is in platform independent. The platform independent is uh, a different form of other languages like used in the C++ and which is the compiled into the platform the specific machines, and it the contrasted Java is a write once and run anywhere languages, and the platform is to refer the hardware or software environment of the program to runs. There are the two types of platforms. The first one is in software based and second one is in hardware based. And the Java platform different to the software based is there running on the top of the hardware based platform, and it is the consist of a two components. The first one is in runtime and second one is in application programming interfaces, and then next one is in secure. It is a rewound security, and it's a Java we can create the virus free system. The Java is secure because the no explicit pointer, and Java program runs the inside the virtual machine sandbox. And And the next one is a robust, and the robust is a employing the strong memory management. There are the efficiently the pointer to prevent the security issues. And the next one is an architectural neutral. The architectural neutral is like a uh, implementation depends on the features. For the instance, the size of the primitive types is fixed. Here that the 2 bytes of memory in the 32-bit architecture in the data types occupied, and the 4 byte is a 64-bit architectures. And then however the occupy the 4 bytes of memory in both into the 32-bit and 64-bit architecture in the Java. And next one is an interpreter. It is the Java code is not directly converted into the machine code by the compiler, and first it compiled into the bytecode, and then executed by the JVM and through the interpreter. It also to be a platform independent. Uh, it means the same bytecode can be run on the system within the JVM. And however, the modern JVM is used in the just-in-time compilations. And the next one is an high performance. The high performance is a faster than traditional interpreted programming languages because the Java bytecode is close to the native code. However, the still slightly slower than the compiled languages such as a C++. And it is the Java is slower than compiled languages in a C++. And next one is a multi-thread. The multi-thread is like a separate program that execute the concurrently. We can write a Java program to handle the many tasks simultaneously by defining the multiple threads. And the distributed is like a allowing the user to develop a distributed applications is efficiently. Here the RMI and EJP it facilitate the creations of distributed applications. And then the dynamic is like a support the one demand loading of the classes and also use the functions from the native languages. It's namely like a C and C++. And Java support the dynamic compilations